Alright, so I'm not sure if I'll achieve this tonight. Let's see, I got like an hour and then a couple hours after that. Oh man, look at this photo, man. That was taken with this 12 megapixel 12.3. The Blue Ring 16. I was saying, battery died. This photo on this ultra wide, I don't know, 32 inch or something. It's 1440p, it's not 4K, but yeah, like the edges look pretty good. Yeah, this photo that was taken with the RPI, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, so it's nice. I still have to get the adapter for an actual lens, so I'm not gonna afford to. I'm gonna get that, but yeah, and then I'm gonna try like random manual lenses. But anyway, this video is about trying to get video recording to have a preview on the software, because right now when you click record, it just records, like you don't see anything, so you can't like check if what you're recording is in focus. And yeah, when I do the webcam, I'm using the MJPEG server, which I'm thinking is what I might use. That's also what I use for the autofocus by Laplace variants. Is it Laplace? Something like that. It's in OpenCV, but yeah, so if you want to record, you click up like yeah, so top this photo, you click up, toggle mode, you click the center. Now it's in video mode, and then you record, which at this point is broken because you can't get out of it. That's my bad. But yeah, actually I'll restart it and I'll show the process right now. Okay, so let's say you wanted to like record that orange camera over there. First you would, you know, get it in focus by entering the live pass through. Oh no, I took a picture. No. That's aperture. This is the focus. It looks in focus. Wow, it's like really close. Okay, so I'll just say that's in focus. Let's see it over there. You get out of it, toggle the mode, tap to record. Now it's recording video. If I put my hand in front, it'll pick that up. But you don't see anything except that recording video. So what I want is the live preview. I should quickly mention this thing uses SPY, so you know it has like a function show image. So what's happening is there's a loop and it's taking a picture like as fast as it can, and it depends on the size of the image how fast it can take that photo. Store in a variable to be displayed. It's a pill image, like pillow, but yeah, it gets displayed and then it just keeps doing that over and over again. So that's why there's visible lag. It's not like it's HDMI or something. Alright, get to it. Get to the code. Come on. Okay, so this is the current master code for the modular PiCam, which is taken from the PiZeri shoe cam, as you can see here. They're all like built similarly, so this one's just different because it can support multiple cameras. It just knows like what it is. So like if it's a V3 module, it has that overlay and it expects the up and down buttons to change the aperture electronically, diopter value, whatever. Anyway, right now when you hit start recording, it just does this path for a video, start recording. So there's no way to get an image from that. But what I've been using is, or what I have used is this MJPEG server. That's how I've been able to capture the webcam videos, where I use the Pi to like stream a video in the browser and then record it with my computer. But yeah, it's this, like this makes a little web server and it shows a video when you connect to it. So I have to figure out how to use this. So okay, if you have a regular Raspberry Pi desktop, like with a GUI, this Pi Camera 2 has like a output thing built in, but it uses Qt, like it uses an app to show the frames. And what I want is to keep doing what I'm doing with this SPI display, where I'm showing the images through that. Which is possible, because in here it creates like a frame, and that's what I was, looking at to run the Laplace variance through. Here, let me pull it up real quick. Like that dark mode? It's because my monitor is screwed up on another desktop setup, and it like has a glare, and it reminds me of my mistake where I took like a razor blade to clean something off the monitor and I scratched it permanently. Oh my god. Dumb. Yeah, shame. Oh yeah, here it is. Okay. I started to work on it a while back. When was this? I don't know. But anyway, yes, so the sampling takes the image, capture array, passes it into variance, and then, yeah. Oh, okay, so it is, yeah, this code could be it right here. You simultaneously like start recording and sample, which, how does it do that? I feel like this code doesn't work. Oh, so it's taking a picture while it's recording. I see. It's probably bad, like performance-wise, but I could try it. The camera has like a low-res preview thing. Yeah, right here. But I don't know how to like pull it out. I don't know if this uses it. Let's see, frame. Where does it get the frame from? JPEG encoder file output. Here. File output. Oh, I'm very tired. You weak. I think I'm alright with that for now. I'll research into it. Low res. Display. I don't know. Like I could dig into this, but I'm trying to get this done today. It's like a little small win. But yeah, that's one plan, and then the proper way to do it is probably to figure out how to use the low res sample. The thing is, it should have a red blinking light and then a counter. Okay, I'm gonna get to it. I already ran into a problem. Like, damn. So, I started writing it out like one function, start, and it has two threads. Video samples like the frame output on the display. But I just realized like the video is recording at 1920p or whatever, 1980. But the photo is supposed to be like tiny. This here shows like switching configuration. This example captured a buffer. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Maybe the low res setup, I don't know. I'm looking at this thread somebody posted. I actually realized I can test this code before adding it to the look at that. 1x, 3x, 7x, A7x. Yeah, I'll make like a standalone file like this and test there. Oh, it's easy to like start and stop it. I do have to stop the systemd service on the camera and then update it and restart it once it's finalized. Okay, so a quick update. I do have something kind of working. I'm having a problem with the cropping. So the video is 1280 by 720. This display is 240 by 320 in portrait mode. So it's like confusing because you have to rotate it, crop it. So I almost have it, but so right now it's recording a video while also showing a image or a preview. It's very slow because it's capturing like a giant image, like the 1280. Whoa, that's weird. Look at that. Why is that happening? See my fingertip? It's making like a bubble when I cross the image. Weird. Anyway, yeah, so I've just been screwing around with this. I'm gonna try to find a better way to do this because it's like very slow. I feel like there is a way where you don't have to capture the entire image, either like dual stream or something. Okay, so a quick update. I posted on the Raspberry Pi forums and they gave me a example code somebody else did. So now I'm using like the proper way where there's a high and low res stream. But the low res is UV 420, and when I try to display, like, there was no color. So I had to bring in well, I didn't have to, but it was like the easiest solution. I think there are other ways to not use computer vision, or OpenCV, I mean. I don't know, maybe they still are. I don't know, it just seems overkill, but anyway, it works. So, yeah, like, toggle the mode, tap to record, so, alright, and then you can do your, like, focus pull stuff. That's aperture, this is the zoom. Oops. Oh man, this is hard. Yeah, anyway, I'm adding the pulsing red dot and timestamp right now. But when you hit stop, it actually converts it like from H.264 to MP4. So that does add some lag, but now you don't have to do that externally. I was doing that by command line. So that's cool. Yeah, the camera's boot time is a little slower now too. I don't know if it's because it brings in OpenCV. Look at this. This is like the wrong direction. Yeah, you just gotta. Oh god, my bad. My baby. Damn, that was pretty bad. You gotta pace the time before you rotate the image. That's all. Look at that though. It's a little counter. Wait, come on. 1 minute. Is it right? One. I don't think that's right. Is it supposed to say 60 or go to 1? Well, anyway, that's good enough. Subject is the robot over there. Out of focus. Then angle it. There you can do focus pulling, I guess. Kinda. Probably gotta be zoomed in more on something closer to really see it. Oh, now that's smooth. Just twisting the focus ring. I gotta add zeros to the string formatter. Alright. That's good. See? Yeah! My hand. Okay, so this is the PR for the code. I show like what I just showed before. But these are the files that changed. The boot time increased because of the inclusion of CV2. That kind of sucks, but it's the easiest way for me to get color on the output. NumPy for the array, circular output. I posted on the Raspberry Pi forum and they showed me somebody else's code, like what they were doing, so that's what this is based on. With regard to how to like set up the two different streams. So in the video configuration you can see like main is max size 1080. This sensor apparently can do 4K at 40 FPS, however the Pi Zero's GPU can't do it. I don't know if the Pi 4 can do it or either that can't do it. Maybe Pi 5 can. I have to investigate in that, but that's interesting because maybe I was thinking about making like a camcorder, but that could use a Pi 4 or a Pi 5. I don't know, but anyway, yeah. So then the smaller one for the preview is here. Oh, I kept the 400. Dang. This is bad right here. It doesn't really matter. It's like only 80 more pixels, but I was seeing like visible pixels in the preview, and I thought I bumped it up to 640 by 480, and that didn't make a difference. So I was supposed to drop it back down to 320. 400 is fine, whatever. But yeah, so here's like the start video recording function, which you can see from the menu, which the button deals with the buttons. See button back. This is the state management menu. It used to say like recording video. I showed that in the beginning. Now it just clears it. That's why it's like a white screen. And then this was just extra delay because it was too fast. You couldn't read the saved message. But anyway, you call start video recording. And then right here, set a bunch of variables, change the mode of video, which is going to pull this. It's going to use that. Video config. Recording time, that's a starting point. Start encoder, frame rate 30 FPS. Start the thread. This is the thread here. Say like the file path. Start the output. And here is where you're sampling for the display. Pass it to sample video. It takes the 420p YAV. This was like grayscale when I was rendering it on the display, so I had to turn that back to color. That's where CV2 comes in. And then yeah, it shows it, and then the show image was modified because here it's dealing with like rotation cropping because of the display is like a landscape, or sorry, it's a portrait display, which is annoying. But yeah, so here flags video is passed right here. Crop the, see, this is why it's dumb, like 400 image is 320, whatever, that's tiny. Then the ellipse here, red dot, formatted time for elapsed time. You paste that over the image and then you rotate it so it renders correctly on the portrait display. And then yeah, so that's how it works. I also changed the boot screen, but yeah, that's the code. Oh, and then there's FFmpeg 2. This was part of the Raspberry Pi forum. That was just a bonus. I used to run this on the, after I move it from FileZilla, I would run it on my host computer, like Windows 10. So that's nice. It'll provide that. But it does, as mentioned, this comment here, it does slow down the menu. Like, it'll wait till that's done, till it renders the, you know, photo, file count, all that, the home screen. Okay, I'm done talking. No mas.